In this video, we'll be covering handle replacement for the Lippert pop-up roof system. To perform this procedure, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a 5mm Allen wrench hex key. Remove the two foam plugs using your flathead screwdriver to reveal the Allen screws. With a 5mm Allen wrench hex key, unscrew the handle from the ceiling panel. Install the handle to the ceiling mount using the 5mm Allen wrench hex key. Finally, replace the foam plugs. This completes the handle replacement procedure for the Lippert pop-up roof system.